Hey kids, let's learn some words that starts with the alphabet B. Balloon, banana, bus, baby, bear,